2021 Audi rs6 Avant. Starting at $110,045. Highs. Twin-turbo V8 makes deliciously vicious sounds, more enthralling to drive than its numbers suggest, dramatic appearance. Lows. Low fuel economy ratings, lofty price tag, 190 mph top speed requires pricey carbon ceramic brakes. Verdict. The macho-looking rs6 Avant is the raucous-sounding, smile-inducing wagon that America was missing. Overview. America is the land of excess, except when it comes to station wagons, but the 2021 Audi rs6 Avant is a brutally powerful and bold-looking example of this rare breed. Based on the excellent Audi A6 Allroad wagon, the hot rod version wears rs-specific bodywork and gets exclusive go-fast goodies. At its heart is a 591 HP twin-turbo V8 that produces raucous noises and pairs with a paddle-shifted automatic transmission as well as a dynamic version of Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. This terrific trio helps launch the Avant to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, and the quickest version tops out at 190 miles per hour. While the wagon's interior is as stylish as it is spacious, and there's a surplus of luxury features, the real magic of the long roof rs6 is how entertaining it is to drive. Too bad it costs more than most of us can afford, which puts it in the same company as high-dollar, high-powered alternatives such as the Mercedes-AMG E63 S-Wagon and the mighty Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo. Still, the 2021 rs6 Avant is one hell of a family hauler. What's new for 2021? When we heard that Audi would bring its new rs6 Avant to America for the 2021 model year, we were understandably excited. Because there's a serious lack of station wagons in the States, especially one with the high-performance attributes of the rs6. Our first impressions of the super wagon proved that it was worth the wait. Pricing and which one to buy. rs6 Avant. $109,995. There's only one model to choose from, but there's a host of fancy standard features and desirable options. Most paint colors cost extra, so we'd have ours sprayed in the pretty Navarra blue metallic. We'd also select the black optic package that gives the wagon an even more sinister look and adds snazzier 22-inch wheels on summer performance tires. Those who want their Avant to reach 190 miles per hour will have to shell out for the expensive carbon ceramic front and rear brakes, but we'd save our money and then some for the individual contour seating and executive packages. Together they cover the cabin in extra leather, add massage functions to the front seats and heat for the rears, bring a head-up display, and add power soft closing doors. Of course, our wagon needs the optional sport exhaust system to best voice its intoxicating engine sounds. Engine, transmission, and performance. Audi endows the rs6 Avant with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, which generates 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. The power plant combines with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that's found on other Audi products, such as the A8 luxury sedan and the Q8 crossover. The rs6 Avant feeds its standard Quattro all-wheel drive through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The combination helped rocket our 31-pound test car to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and complete the quarter mile in 11.5 ticks at 120 miles per hour. But those numbers don't accurately demonstrate the wagon's glorious ability to increase our heart rates and tingle our eardrums with its breakneck acceleration and badass soundtrack. Rolling on a set of 22-inch wheels with summer performance rubber and buoyed by a sport-tuned air suspension with adaptive dampers, our Tango Red rs6 Avant was able to deliver a relaxed or rollicking ride depending on the selected drive mode. The long-roof Audi also felt extremely agile thanks to its four-wheel steering and torque-vectoring rear differential. Ours stopped from 70 miles per hour in a tidy 160 feet, but that was with the standard brakes. A set of front and rear carbon ceramic stoppers are available for a sizable sum, but the upgrade also unlocks a higher top speed of 190 miles per hour. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates the 2021 rs6 Avant will earn 15 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. Compare that with the 16 mpg city and 23 highway ratings for the 2020 E63S wagon and the 18 mpg city and 23 highway ratings for the 2020 Panamera Turbo Sport Turismo. Once we can run the rs6 Avant on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the rs6 Avant showcases Audi's sophisticated interior design and cutting-edge technology. The driver faces a 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, and the snazzy dashboard features a pair of large touch screens between the front passengers. The rest of the cabin is covered in leather and accentuated with racy materials. The rs6 Avant also has a roster of upscale standard features that include heated and ventilated front seats, 4-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and wireless charging. The interior can be upgraded with a head-up display, massaging front seats, richer leather, and heated rear seats. The wagon has 30 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, too. A power rear liftgate is standard while a motion-activated one is optional. Infotainment and connectivity. The Audi's infotainment system is centralized in a 10.1-inch touchscreen that's integrated into the middle of the dash. It houses standard features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Bang & Olufsen stereo, built-in navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Below the upper display is an 8.6-inch touchscreen that contains settings for the climate controls as well as other vehicle functions. While both screens have high-resolution menus with large icons that are easy to activate via touch inputs, they can be distracting to the driver, especially the lower one. We prefer the scroll knob that used to accompany Audi's infotainment systems. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2021 rs6 Avant hasn't been crash tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, or the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. The Audi offers some standard driver assistance technology, with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist both available. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Available night vision with large animal and pedestrian detection. Available blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Audi's limited and powertrain warranty align with the plans offered by Mercedes and Porsche. The rs6 Avant also benefits from a brief period of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. Specifications. 2021 Audi rs6 Avant. Vehicle type. Front engine, all-wheel drive, 5-passenger, 4-door wagon. Price as tested. $119,840, base price, $110,045. Engine type. Twin turbocharged and intercooled V8, aluminum block and heads, direct fuel injection. Displacement. 244 in3, 3,996 cubic centimeters. Power. 591 HP at 6,250 RPM. Torque. 590 lb-ft at 2050 RPM. Transmission. 8-speed automatic. Chassis. Suspension, F/R multilink/multilink. Brakes, F/R 16.5 invented, cross-drilled disc/14.6 invented, cross-drilled disc. Tires, Pirelli P0 PZ4, 285/30ZR22, 101Y, AO. Dimensions. Wheelbase, 115.4 in. Length, 196.7 in. Width, 76.8 in. Height, 58.6 in. Passenger volume, 101 ft3. Cargo volume, 30 ft3. Curb weight, 5,031 pounds. C/D test results. 60 miles per hour, 3.1 sec. 100 miles per hour, 7.8 sec. 130 miles per hour, 13.6 sec. 150 miles per hour, 19.6 sec. Rolling start, 560 mph, 4.4 sec. Top gear, 3050 mph, 2.6 sec. Top gear, 5070 mph, 3.1 sec. 1/4 mile, 11.5 sec at 120 miles per hour. Top speed, Governor Limited 156 miles per hour. Braking, 70 mph, 160 feet. Braking, 100 mph, 318 feet. Road holding, 300 foot skid pad, 0.94 grams. Standing start XL times omit 1 foot rollout of 0.3 seconds. EPA fuel economy. Combined/city/highway, 17/15/22 mpg.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.